Good morning, anywhere that you watch from. Good afternoon, good evening, anywhere where they watch from all over the world. I greet you. As we could look at this one fast, we know how to solve this one. The question says simplify a over a minus 1 over a minus a squared over a squared minus 1 ratio a over a plus 1 over a. So if you look at the question, you can't be like say it's complex. But if we solve am now, you go see say it's just dey simple na just small basic knowledge. So make we look am. So we go start with a over a minus 1 over a. We'll just write the question again. Minus a squared over a squared minus 1 ratio a over a plus 1 over a. As we don do am like this now, this under make I do am as aside. This numerator, so we go know say we go do am like this: a plus 1 over a. Either you decide to find LCM, or you do am as if you dey change from mixed fraction to improper fraction. That is, we just do this thing: a times a na a squared, so we get a squared plus 1 all over the numerator a. Na im be this thing. So we just write am as a over, okay, this is supposed to be minus now, maybe plus. So we get a over a squared minus 1. Remember, say this is now minus, so a squared minus 1 over a. So this our minus will come down here. So here we go get a squared over a squared minus 1. Then we'll get the ratio a over the same thing we do for this one. Now we go do for here. And this time around, the only difference now is just sign. So we'll get a squared plus 1 over a. As we don't reach this level, so make I take this whole thing here now. Make I go analyze on that side. This thing means a divided by a squared minus 1 over a. It means say for us to simplify this thing, so we go have to change this division to times. And once we change that to times, a go up while this one will come down. So we get a over a squared minus 1. Wetin e mean so? A times a go give me wetin? A squared over a squared minus 1. So that thing we go put here, so for under now. All this thing wey dey here now go represent this. So we go get a squared over a squared minus 1. Then minus a squared over a squared minus 1 ratio. That same thing wey happen here, so wey a go multiply to this, now e go happen for here. So we get a squared over a squared plus 1. As we don get am like this, so wetin this one mean? When something dey minus itself, the answer we go get is suppose to be wetin? 0. That is 5 minus 5 na 0. 2 minus 2 na 0. 3 minus 3 na 0. So this same thing minus this same thing go give us wetin? 0 ratio a squared over a squared plus 1. Wetin this thing dey tell us? Remember, say ratio, we can write it as a fraction. That is 0 divided by all this entity wey dey here, so go give us wetin? 0. And now this one be our final answer. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember to like am. Remember to share am. See you in the next video. Bye bye.